topic of audit report. Okay. Girls, welcome to audit report. First of all, what is an audit? Girls, what is an audit? Audit is after you have completed all your accounts, at the end of the year, you are going to, at the end of the year, you are going to submit, you are going to go for a audit. Means checking. Audit is totally checking of your accounts. That is known as a audit. In the audit, what happens? You have to check everything. Like your all your accounts will be checked. In a all your accounts will be checked in a correct manner. That is known as an audit. Okay. Whatever accounts like P&L account, balance sheet, whatever you are preparing whole of the year, that will be checked by an auditor. Auditor is nothing but a chartered accountant. He will check the all your accounts and he will check your all your accounts and he will give your whatever the work you have done. For that he will give one report. That is known as what happens in the auditor report means whether your accounts whatever you have submitted, that accounts are giving true and fair picture or not. That is the main purpose of audit report. True means an accounts must be prepared in accordance with a fact and reality. Fair means account must not be biased. It should be just and equitable. True means an account must be prepared in accordance with a fact and reality. Fair means account must be biased. It not be biased. It should be just and equitable. Accounts will be true and fair unless the quality or quantity of information is sufficient to satisfy reasonable expectations of the readers to whom they are addressable. Means accounts will not be true and fair unless the quality of information whatever you are giving are wrong. Means whatever accounts you are preparing every year, like P&L account or P&L account or balance sheet or trial balance, any accounts you are preparing, all that accounts must be true. All that accounts must be true to our knowledge. We should communicate. We should give information truly to everyone who are giving you apt picture. Accounts must be true and fair unless the quality and quantity of information is sufficient to satisfy reasonable expectations of the readers to whom they are addressed. We have 4 types of audit reports by independent auditors. First of all, what is audit? The objective of audit is to give true and fair view. True means whatever your accounts you are preparing, that should be in true nature, and fair means whatever accounts you are preparing, that should not be biased. Biased means somebody should not say that you are done with some bias. It should not be biased. It should be equitable. In order to you have to provide everyone with a correct proper knowledge. We have 4 types of audit reports by independent auditor. What are the 4 types of audit report? Standard unqualified audit report, which is called SUAR. We have how many types of audit reports? Girls, can you hear me?
Yes, madam.
How many types of audit reports we have?
4, madam.
4. Very good. We have 4 types of audit reports. What is auditing? What is the purpose of audit? Audit means checking of all the final accounts what you have maintained. Every year you will maintain total final accounts from whatever final accounts you have maintained. Is that giving a true picture or not? If auditor is checked, means it is very correct. Only by mere chappadam, whatever you are telling is not correct. Somebody should check your accounts and should give. Auditor is always an outside person. He is a chartered accountant. He will give you. He will produce you audit report. After careful examination of all your final accounts, auditor will give one report. That is known as audit report. We have 4 types of audit report by independent auditors. Why it is mentioned independent auditor? Auditor is always independent, means he is an outside people. He is coming to our organization and examining all our final accounts and giving you the true picture of your book, the true picture of your organization. So in that first one is what? Standard unqualified audit report. This report only being issued when sufficient evidence has been accumulated. All statements are included, means this means what if the auditor is giving you standard unqualified audit report means why it is sufficient evidence has been accumulated. All statements are included in the financial statements. And ISAs has been followed in all respects on the engagement. No circumstances requiring the addition of explanatory paragraph or modifying of wording. Financial statements are presented in accordance with approved accounting standards. Adequate disclosure have been included. Means if auditor is giving standard unqualified audit report means there is no wrong in your audit and everything is correct and all statements are included in the financial statements. Every statement is clear and your statements are prepared according to the accounting standards, international accounting standards. Your statement has been correct. So then if your organization all financial statements are correct, everything is done according to the proper rules and regulations, then you will be getting standard unqualified audit report. Basic elements in the SUAR report and basic what they will include in the SUAR report means standard unqualified audit report. What they will include? First, title. A title used is auditor report to the shareholders. Means what they will title? Auditors report to the shareholders. Heading will be means in the standard unqualified audit report. What will be there? There will be auditors report to the shareholders. Address. The report is addressed to a company, its shareholders, or board of directors. Means the report is given to whom? Three people. To all the company, mainly to the shareholders and to the board of directors. In introductory, what they will indicate? They will indicate the date and period covered in examining the financial statements by the auditor. Date and period covered means on which date they are giving you audit report and what for what period the audit report is given. Suppose for the last year they are giving from financial year 2019 to 20 or 20 to 21. 20 to 21 is your financial year. For that period you are giving audit report means they will mention for which period the audit report is. And scope paragraph, what the auditor did in the entire audit process. Whatever we have examined, which statement he has analyzed, which statement he has took the for trial version, everything, whatever process you have completed, everything you will mention in the scope. Then opinion paragraph. Opinion means what is his opinion on your audit. States the auditor conclusion and opinion, whether you have any mistakes in the audit report or you have any bias or you have any problems. Then auditor name, auditor address and date of the report. Everything will be mentioned in the SUAR. SUAR means standard unqualified audit report. Okay, this is the auditor report. Then unqualified audit report with explanatory paragraph or modified wordings. 5 reasons why auditors issuance this report. Lack of consistent application of approved accounting standards. Sometimes you can have an auditor will give some problem in your audit report, like we have substantial doubt about going concern, emphasize of a matter, report, and this type of reasons can auditor put in his report, like lack of consistent application of approved accounting standards, that you have not given any, that there is a problem in application of your consistent report, and substantial doubt about going concern. Auditor agree with the departure from promulgated accounting principles. Means that auditor is your account while framing your accounting policies or while framing your financial statements, you might have not you might have not followed some accounting principles or emphasize of a matter, reports involving other auditors. Like these statements you can give in your audit report. The fact causes uncertainty in going concern disclosure. The significant recurring operating losses or working capital deficiencies. Second one is the factor causes uncertainty in going concern disclosure. If suppose you are not following any going concern disclosure, then you will have problem. Unqualified audit report with explanatory paragraph. Condition to required for departure for an unqualified audit report.